Pair of Bose QC earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset, basically a hard reset. Okay, so very simple here. So first thing is go ahead and just close the case and then plug it into the charging port in the back here. Plug that in there and just wait till you see it charging here. Okay, so I see mine charging now. Let me go ahead and open mine up. And just FYI, I'm connected now to my my iPhone here. It says oh, there we go. It says connect, just connected right there, okay? So, and it doesn't matter if you're connected or not, okay? So we're gonna factory reset this. The only thing we gotta do is press and hold this button for like 20 seconds or until after the blinking white light, then it turns blue blinking, okay? So we'll do it together, all right? So I'm gonna hold it right here. Here's the button right here, ready, press and hold. Keep on holding now, don't let go. Keep on holding, okay, it's blue now, just wait. It's gonna turn white. Okay, now keep on holding and wait till it starts blinking blue. Holding. All right, now it's blinking blue. Go ahead and let go. And we just performed a factory reset, okay? Now you can see my Bose QC earbuds. It says it's not connected, okay? So right now it's in pairing mode again. So if you wanted to connect to your phone or your iPhone, first I gotta go ahead and tap on this I here and go down to forget this device, okay? Or if I just tap on here trying to connect, it's gonna tell me I have to forget the device anyway. See, connection unsuccessful, so I need to forget the device anyway, okay? And now it's still in pairing mode, so let me go down here and let me see if it finds these buds again, all right? But let me just, it's probably not gonna do it. Let me just go ahead and just turn my Bluetooth off, and then I'm gonna turn it back on. It's still blinking blue, so it's still in pairing mode here. Oh, there it is, QC earbuds, right there. And let me go ahead and connect it back. And I'm connected again. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.